Join me as I try to boost my smartphone battery life to the max using some pro tips and tricks. Smartphone battery life, the never-ending battle, right? We all want our devices to last longer, but sometimes it feels like we're constantly searching for a charger. Optimizing your smartphone's battery life is crucial, not just for convenience, but also to extend the lifespan of your device. One of the biggest culprits behind rapid battery drain is background apps. You might have apps running in the background that you're not even aware of, and they're sucking up your battery life. Screen brightness is another major contributor. The brighter your screen, the more battery it consumes. And let's not forget about location services, which can quickly drain your battery if you're not careful. Another common issue is having too many apps open at the same time. This can cause your device to work overtime, leading to increased battery drain. Even simple things like having your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on when not in use can make a difference. Using power-hungry features like GPS or augmented reality apps can also quickly drain your battery. So, it's essential to be mindful of how you're using your device. Even your device's settings can be tweaked to improve battery life. For example, turning off location services or background app refresh for certain apps can make a big difference. So, what can you do to boost your smartphone battery life? First, try adjusting your screen brightness or turning on auto brightness. This way, your device will adjust the brightness based on the surrounding light. You can also manage your apps by closing any that you're not using. Optimizing your charging habits can also help. Try to keep your device between 20% and 80% charged if possible. Avoiding extreme temperatures and updating your device's software can also help extend battery life. Managing your device's battery life is all about finding that sweet spot. By making a few simple tweaks to your settings and usage habits, you can significantly extend your battery life. Here's a game-changing tip: enable battery saver mode. This feature can limit background data usage, reduce visual effects, and even limit CPU performance to help squeeze out more battery life. Using dark mode on OLED screens can also be a game-changer. Since OLED screens only light up the pixels that need to be illuminated, using dark mode can significantly reduce battery consumption. In addition to these tips, you can also try turning off unnecessary features like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi when not in use. You can also limit your screen time or use a power bank to give your device an extra boost. By implementing these simple tips, you can easily add hours to your device's battery life. So, go ahead and try them out. To recap, optimizing your smartphone's battery life is all about being mindful of your usage habits and making a few simple tweaks to your settings. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to extending your device's battery life. If you've got any other battery-saving tips, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on smartphone optimization for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your device.